guys, this pump guys, QSX15 main pump. And this pump guys, because I want to dismantle this one guys and check. Now guys, before you open this pressure plate guys, there is one bolt inside. Okay. There is one bolt inside, so before you open this bolt, must be open this one gear. Okay. Now guys, this bolt guys, if you want to open guys, open position guys, clockwise. Okay, this bolt guys already loose, socket 15 mm. This position to open guys, clockwise. See, clockwise position guys. Okay, see this thread. If open this bolt, clockwise position. If tightening, counterclockwise. Okay. Tightening position, counterclockwise. If tightening position. Okay. See now. Now open position, clockwise. Clockwise open position. Okay. Tightening position, counterclockwise. Now ready to open guys. Okay, this bolt if open, counterclockwise. Open position, this bolt 10 mm, counterclockwise. I'm all guys. This is the oil pump guys. There is one bowl here guys.